So pretty much my turbo blew up last night. I was doing this pull. It was from 3rd to 4th on the freeway, and then after the pull, or not even after, in the middle of the pull, I hear something blow up. Some shit popped loud as hell. I'm not gonna lie, I thought my motor blew up, and then the car went into limp mode. So I didn't have boost anymore, so it felt like I was driving the whole 328, bro. And then I ended up pulling over. I checked all the vacuum lines, all the couplers, even took the fan out, checked the intercooler, piping and everything. Everything was good. So had the car turned on, and then I noticed that the fan wasn't spinning no more. And then I get closer, I look at it, boom, bro. Blown turbo, fan's all messed up. I don't know if something flew in there or what, but the net cover does have some holes in it that weren't there before. So I don't know if a tiny ass rock did all of that, which could be possible, but yeah, I don't know. So pretty much I gotta rebuild the turbo or just buy a whole ass new one. And I do have the video. Some of my friends recorded the moment that the turbo blew up, which was kind of crazy. I got 2 different angles of it, and I'll post them up right now. It's not even.